if you have to leave this world, how do you want your final rest, where do you want your final resting place to be, and what kind of religious ceremony as well. It's good for them to tell their loved ones, at least give a hint to their loved ones. Otherwise, sometimes they may end up having family quarrels when there are differences in religious beliefs or the thinking is different. Hi, my name is Sammy Leong. I'm a case manager with SATA CommHealth. So mention SATA CommHealth, people just think of them as an X-ray, place to go for X-ray, but actually we are more than that. We do a lot of other services like a normal day-to-day GP service and also wellness, health screening. And myself, I'm a case manager specializing in advanced care planning and also assisting the doctors with lasting power of attorney, LPA. So these are the two areas that I do on a day-to-day basis in my work. ACP or Advanced Care Plan is actually a lifelong plan that we document your values and how you would want to be looked after in case you are seriously ill, and we want to document how you would want to be looked after, your preferences, your likes and dislikes, so that your loved ones and the medical team can understand you better, and this will assist in the medical team to provide the best care for you in your best interest. So this ACP is not a legal document, it's a lifelong plan which will be kept in the National Electronic Health Record and accessible in all the government acute hospitals. The LPA is a lasting power of attorney, which is a legal document that you appoint one or more person to act legally for you if you are still alive but lack mental capacity to make your own decision. Example, if you have dementia, or if you fall into a permanent coma, or if you are seriously ill and unable to speak for yourself, then someone else would be legally appointed to act on your behalf to make decisions for your welfare and your affairs and properties, these two areas. Well, we talk about LPA first, because legally speaking, if something happens to you and you are still alive but not able to make decisions, then everything is in limbo, in suspense, because nobody can represent you. Like for instance, if let's say a couple jointly own a property, right? Usually a lot of them owns a HDB flat. So if the husband becomes dementia and he has not appointed anyone, suppose they need money, they need to downgrade or sell or rent out their apartment. Now, he cannot sign for his own portion. The wife can still sign, but his own portion, unless he has done an LPA to appoint someone to represent him. Otherwise, it's going to be very costly and a lot of legal process to go through to get someone to be your deputy. ACP acts as a guide for the medical team to know the ceiling of care that they can provide for you, and especially because in terms of life-sustaining treatment and all that, or in case if you are really unable to make decisions, if you happen to be, say, permanently disabled. So for example, where do you want to live? Who do you want to look after you? All these people have not thought about it unless you have documented yourself. Actually, there's no say best time. It's whenever you are ready, and it's important to have this conversation with your loved ones anytime. There's no age limit as long as you're above 21. Okay, the challenges, there are a few areas. Basically, lack of awareness. People are not aware that they have this avenue or the importance that they need to do. The other thing is for LPA especially, some of them think that it's too legalistic, or some of them think that, oh, I have a will, that's enough. Right? A lot of them, they mixed up LPA with a will. And then we have to clarify with them what's the difference and why is it important. And then for the ACP, because they have never heard about this until when it's too late or when they are in a hospital, then the doctors talk to them and oftentimes they are confused. So that's why we have to explain to them the importance of doing an ACP beforehand. LPA is because when you are still alive but not able to make decisions, then all your bank account, nobody can go and withdraw money for you or handle your insurance policies or help you to withdraw your CPF and all that. So unless you have appointed someone legally, then that person can make decisions on your behalf without having to go through the process of applying to the courts to be your deputy, which is expensive and take a long time.